Control, this is deck. We need more slack on line 3. Repeat, more slack on line 3.
Take the strain, watch the starboard tie. Aye, strain coming up, looking good. Bring her down easy, 20 feet to contact.
Steady, coming down.
All right, hold your position, we are secure.
The synchronized lift is a marvel of modern engineering, a testament to meticulous planning and execution.
Keep the pressure even across all axles. We have clearance at the next marker.
Where's Sunken?
We need a full structural analysis of the bow section before we move anything.
I agree. The degradation here is significant.
Okay, this plating is definitely a repair.
Applying the yellow tag now. The next section is a replacement, correct?
That's affirmative. Red tag for the starboard brace.
The forward cut lines must be precise to maintain structural integrity during the sequence.
Understood. Prioritize the reactor housing stabilization immediately.
Ensure the seals are airtight before we power up the filtration. We can't risk any contamination.
Keep the tension steady on the forward sling. Watch that starboard side clearance.
We are green across all sectors for the hull stabilization.
Good.
Maintain the pace and report any deviations immediately.
Slow lift, slow lift. Clear left. Keep coming up. Keep moving left. All right, I'm clear. Check the upper weld.
Submerged in the baths, the warship components undergo a profound transformation, cleansed by chemistry.
The X-ray confirms significant stress fractures deep within the bulkhead here.
And the corrosion levels are higher than anticipated.
Ensure the blades are secured before we engage the crane. The tolerance here is minimal.
Understood. We are clear for the lift.
This section here, the Modernization upgrade requires the new coupling.
Right, I see it now. Let's double check the alignment before we tighten it down.
The thrust metrics are holding steady at optimal levels.
Confirmed. Oil pressure is nominal.
Slow descent. Watch the starboard guide. Perfect, lock it down. Slow descent. Watch the starboard guide. Perfect, lock it down.
Torque that fitting to 75 foot-pounds.
75, confirmed. The red line is secure.
Keep it steady. Make sure the connectors are aligned.
They are. Hand me the torque wrench.
Keep an eye on that bypass valve. Pressure's still climbing.
Confirmed. The green dye is passing the main coupling without issue.
Make sure the grounding strap is secure before we route the coax.
Got it. Checking the torque now. All right, hold steady on the port side. Ease it forward 2 centimeters. Watch the laser grid. Perfect, lock it down.
Check the pressure sensors on the starboard joint. Reading stable, green across the board.
Load bearing at 98%, steady.
Acknowledged. Maintaining pressure on sector 4.
Steady now, bring her down slowly. Clear on the port side. Looks good, easy on the hydraulics.
Cycle complete. Parameters nominal.
Confirmed. Ready for sea trials.
Pressure holding steady at 75.
Flow rate confirms optimal dynamics. Test proceeding nominally.
Ground station, this is Warship Bridge. Radio check over. Roger that. Bridge.
Solid copy, loud and clear.
Moving to section G-12.
Copy that. Watch the dust levels near the vent.
The pressurization is stable. Look at the vortex near the aft console.
Reading confirmed. Temperatures are nominal across the board. This meticulous application of the primer coat is crucial. It's the foundation that ensures the warship's durability and longevity at sea.
Tug 1, maintain current vector. Stern is clearing the threshold.
Hooray, they made it back!
We are so proud of you.
Helm, come right 15 degrees. Steady as she goes. Engineering, report current status. All ahead full.
Mm-hmm.